Hi, my name's Courtney and we bought Dallas back in 2021. When we moved in, it was very dated. Started again, took everything back to bare bricks and made it a bit more modern. We really wanted that open plan feel to the space, but I also wanted the option to close the kitchen off if we wanted to and make the living room a bit cozier. This room, the kitchen and the living room, were two separate rooms. There was a wall here behind us, which is when I first found Aspire, because we found the internal bifolds, which were the perfect solution to what we were looking for. I've been a customer of Aspire for nearly 5 years now, and we've bought a variety of different doors from them, including single, internal glazed doors, the internal bifolds, and the exterior heritage patio doors. We get so many compliments on all of our doors. I really do recommend them. Quality is incredible. I really can't fault it as a company.